Everyone, welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Princess and Leslie Gacha. Once again, this is Marianne. So, meron akong video papakita sa inyo ngayon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. Okay? Yan po yung tips ko kung paano mag-delete ng Facebook page sa Facebook account nyo. So, kung meron kayong mga katanungan, just comment down below. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring yung notification para ma-notify po kayo sa next video na aking i-upload. Again, welcome to Princess and Leslie Gacha channel!